Power Minister Biswajit announces 50 megawatt solar plant in Manipur, aiming for self-reliance in energy and sustainable growth. Cookie organization seeks expedited hearing for court monitor probe into leaked audio clips allegedly involving Manipur Chief Minister. Security forces apprehended 2 cadres from different UG groups and arrest 2 accused of arson at abandoned house during multiple operations. Tamenglong Forest Division explores Araibat Cave, unveiling its ecotourism potential and cultural significance. And Thawal District launches historic Aadhaar-linked birth registration for children, enhancing access to welfare schemes and services. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Shoina, giving you the news in detail. Power Minister Thongam Biswajit has announced plans to establish a 50 megawatt solar power plant in Manipur aimed at addressing the state's growing energy demands. The project will be a collaboration between the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited (MSPDCL) and Guarantee and Green Tree Global. The announcement came during the launch of the capacity building of ISCOM's program held at Hotel Imphal Sangai Hall under the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power. The program also witnessed the presence of key officials, including Power Department Commissioner Dr. Silas Kumar Chaurasia, B Secretary Milan Diori, Manireda Director Naurim Pravin Singh, and MSPDCL Managing Director Santi Kumar Singh. In his address, the Power Minister highlighted that Manipur is taking significant strides in tackling energy challenges and noted that the state is leading in the Northeast region in this regard. He also introduced a 371 crore rupees subsidy scheme to ensure electricity access for the public. Biswajit emphasized the state's commitment to adopting advanced technology to ensure reliable and efficient power supply, along with plans for new projects to further improve energy infrastructure. The minister also discussed ongoing efforts to educate the public on energy conservation and the importance of using energy-efficient appliances to reduce overall power consumption. Additionally, he addressed the need for better accountability in the power sector, specifically in revenue collection and non-payment of bills, which are critical for sustaining the state's economy. The Power Department, according to Biswajit, is working on strategies to overcome challenges in the power sector with an aim to make Manipur self-reliant in energy management. These proactive measures are expected to address existing issues and contribute to sustainable growth in the sector.
We do not have any like the home generation. We are receiving just around about 13 megawatt. That is the 12% free for Shia from Lokta. I go to Unless she like posting a sea, we don't like putting a sing a Matam to give Magil, the system Amadi Magil, the Sunday only Shikimatumina, Magi 12% forward from the yard. The Mother satisfied with the environmental impact in Helabra, Highway, Wakulda, Nasi, Tata, Lutuaro,
The Cookie Organization for Human Rights Trust has urged for an expedited hearing of its plea requesting a court-monitored investigation into leaked audio clips allegedly implicating Chief Minister and Biren Singh in instigating ethnic violence. Advocate Prashant Bhushan, representing the organization, presented the matter before the bench of Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna, Justices Sanjay Kumar and K.V. Viswanathan. Bhushan explained that following a previous order, he had sent the audio clips to Truth Labs for verification and file the resulting report with the petition. Bhushan claimed the clips contain disturbing conversations in which the Chief Minister allegedly admitted to instigating violence and protecting the attackers. However, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta and Attorney General R. Venkataramani objected to the plea. The court, in its previous order, noted that the petitioner must provide materials verifying the authenticity of the clips before the case is considered. The bench also recorded the objection that the petitioner should first approach the High Court. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh met with Lieutenant General Raghu Srinivasan, the Director General of Border Roads, at his secretariat in Imphal today. The meeting focused on the ongoing construction of highways in Manipur and discussed various projects aimed at improving connectivity in both the state and the broader Northeast region. In a post on his social media handles, the Chief Minister highlighted the productive nature of the discussion. In a series of security operations conducted in the vulnerable fringe areas of both Hill and Valley districts, security forces successfully apprehended two active cadre of the KCP Taibanganba and KCP MLF in separate incidents. In Thobal district, security forces arrested 26-year-old Sapam Paikhomba Maitei, a cadre of KCP Taibanganba from the Waithau Thiam IVR area under Lilong Police Station jurisdiction. Authorities recovered several items from his possession, including a wireless handset, TYT, and 6 9mm live rounds. In a separate operation in Imphal West District, Manipur Police apprehended 32-year-old Samom Davidson Maitei, known as Loya, an active member of KCP MLF. Maitei was involved in extorting money from local shops in the Singjamai Thongju area. During the arrest at Thongju, Peju Lampak Pukri under Singjamai Police Station, police recovered a mobile handset, a wallet containing 1,990 rupees and a driving license, as well as a two-wheeler. Both arrests are part of the ongoing efforts to curb insurgent activities and maintain law and order in the region. Manipur police have arrested two individuals in connection with the incendiarism of 3 abandoned houses near the Manjapukhi garrison on the night of January 26. The two arrested individuals are identified as R.K. Mehes, age 50 years, and Ishwar Raj, age 30 years. The fire, which was reported by locals and an Assam Rifles sentry around 5:25 p.m., was swiftly addressed due to the prompt action from the security forces and local authorities. Upon receiving the alert, the AR Quick Response Team stationed within the garrison rushed to the scene, secured the area, and successfully extinguished the flames. Local police from Haingang, along with the Manipur Fire Brigade, also responded to the incident, assisting in controlling the fire and preventing further damage. Following the coordinated efforts of the Assam Rifles, local police, and the fire brigade, the situation was stabilized and no additional property was lost. The two individuals arrested are currently under investigation as authorities work to determine their involvement in the act of incendiarism. A promising new ecotourism destination, the Arai Bat Cave Namkau Luang Kaikau, was explored by a team from the Tamenglong Forest Division, led by Karibam Hitler Singh, the Divisional Forest Officer of Tamenglong. The team included Joel Gangmei, RFO Tamenglong, A. Prameshwar Singh, RFO Tausem, Kadi Ray Kamai, chairman of Namkau Luang, Kaikau village, along with other village authorities, local youth and staff of the Tamenglong Forest Division. The cave, which has long been kept hidden by the villagers, is of significant historical and cultural importance. It serves as both a breeding and resting site for at least 2 species of bats. The cave features 3 entrances with a section of it stretching approximately 400 feet. Inside, a deep pool and various species of fish were also discovered. In addition to the exploration and awareness program on the prevention, control, and management of forest fires was conducted in the village in the morning at promoting sustainable practices and protecting local ecosystems. Namkau Luang Kaikau is situated approximately 5 kilometers from Khongsang and 40 kilometers from the Tamenglong district headquarters, making it an accessible yet hidden gem with great potential for ecotourism development. The satellite-take Amur Falcon named Tui Luan 2 has completed its journey through South Africa and is now back in the Kalahari region of Botswana. According to R. Suresh Kumar, a scientist from the Wildlife Institute of India who is monitoring the bird's migratory path, Tui Luan 2 spent nearly 20 days in South Africa, not far from Johannesburg. The falcon had made its first stopover in Somalia after a remarkable non-stop flight across the Arabian Sea, which took 5 days and 17 hours in the last part of November 2024. During its migratory journey, Kumar noted that the bird's movement was likely influenced by factors such as food availability and rainfall, which may be guiding its route, particularly in the Kalahari region. On November 8 last year, the Manipur Forest Department, in collaboration with local communities, had released 2 Amur falcons named Tui Luan 2 and Guangram after fitting them with satellite transmitters. The initiative aimed to track their migratory routes and observe environmental patterns. Tui Luan 2, a male falcon, and Guangram, a female, both originate from villages in Tamenglong, which are known as roosting sites for the Amur falcons. Kumar expressed his anticipation that the bird will continue to navigate its migratory route, potentially adjusting its path based on changing environmental conditions. In a historic move for Manipur, Chief Registrar of Births and Deaths and Director of Health Services, Dr. Chambo Golmay, inaugurated the state's first Aadhaar-linked birth registration for children aged until 5 years at the District Hospital, Thoubal. The event, held at the hospital's conference hall, was attended by Chief Medical Officer, Thoubal, Dr. Y. Nokul Singh, Director of Family Welfare, Dr. N. Hemantakumar Singh, and Vital Statistics Consultant, Dr. Meena Seram. Dr. Golmay highlighted that this initiative marks a significant milestone in the state's healthcare and public service sectors, ensuring that children's births are registered with Aadhaar links. This will enable better access to government benefits such as scholarships, subsidies, and other welfare schemes. He also noted that the program is in line with the vision of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to streamline public services and improve efficiency. Dr. Hemantakumar Singh assured that the ALBR system would address previous challenges related to birth registration and ensure easier access for families in the region. This initiative is expected to provide children in Manipur with enhanced opportunities and services linked to their official records.
Benefits to the children to have a hassle-free Aadhaar enrollment, where only photograph of the child is taken along with the Aadhaar data of one parent or both parents. The biometry of the child will be updated when the child reaches 5 years and 15 years.
The Manipur Biodiversity Board, in collaboration with the Foundation for Ecological Security and GIZ, NERAQ, has launched the revision of the Manipur Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan. The first stakeholders consultation workshop held today at the forest headquarters in Imphal brought together participants from government departments, academia, policy makers, researchers, civil society organizations, and community leaders to discuss strategies for sustainable biodiversity conservation in the state. During the inaugural address, Anurag Bajpai, PCCF and HOFF emphasized the crucial role forests and ecosystems play in preserving biodiversity and supporting livelihoods in Manipur. He highlighted the importance of developing a time-bound action plan to drive conservation efforts while benefiting local communities. Bajpai also stressed the need for interdepartmental collaboration and suggested involving young students in the revision process to incorporate the perspectives and technological skills of the current generation. Discussions focus on aligning the MB SAP with national and global biodiversity frameworks. In a remarkable achievement, 2 students from UNACO School, Kongman, were selected as part of the prestigious Super 100 winners in the Veer Gatha 4.0 competition. This national initiative launched in 2021 by the Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Education aims to educate school students about the bravery and sacrifices of India's Gallantry Award winners. The 2 students, Inunganbi Laishram from class 8 and Nivana Chakpram from class 12, were recognized for their outstanding entries in the painting category for classes 6 to 8 and 11-12 respectively. Their achievements are a proud moment for the school as they were among the top 100 winners selected from numerous entries nationwide. The Super 100 winners were felicitated in New Delhi on 25th January 2025 by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Ministry of Education Dharmendra Pradhan. Each winner received a cash prize of 10,000 rupees, a medal and a certificate. Additionally, they were invited to attend the Republic Day parade as special guests. UNACO School expressed immense pride in the accomplishments of their students, highlighting the growing participation and success of their school in national events like Veer Gatha.
The program is aimed to educate school students about the bravery and the sacrifice of the country's gallantry award winners. Award winner gallantry award winner the country sacrifice of the man the Hanan going on and Taminaba at the program. High program was a Yamuru program. At the high of Gata, 4.0 hybrid, a super 100 winners company, Baran Pumugina, Haiva, 25 January. Defense Minister Rajnath and the Union Education Minister with Dharmendra Pradhan and the Total Award. Haiva, Awards, Hanabai, Saturday around 2 crore Gumba Baran Water competitions or Limba, and Masida participate in school. La Anima High School. I was here, Yam Top of a competition that we now go to school. On the game, Akoya, Anand Mariga, Akoneka.
As part of the National Road Safety Month under the theme Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha, the Traffic Police Wing organized a traffic awareness campaign and demonstration at First Cry Intelitotes Preschool Sagolban. The event aimed to raise awareness about traffic rules and road safety. The campaign was attended by Traffic Police SP Pramesh Arambam, CEO of 4th IRB RK Saklemba, and Anand Sapam, Chairman of the First Cry Intelitotes Preschool Management Committee, along with local community members. In his address, SP Pramesh Arambam emphasized the importance of traffic rule awareness in preventing accidents and ensuring public safety. He highlighted that educating the community, particularly grassroots level, on traffic regulations could reduce violations like speeding, overloading, and failure to wear helmets. He also encouraged the public to follow rules such as avoiding overspeeding, using helmets, and adhering to vehicle load limits. The event included a practical demonstration on traffic signal adherence, showing participants the importance of following traffic signals for a safer commute. The initiative aimed to instill responsible driving habits and contribute to reducing road accidents in the community.
Road safety है अगर हम देखिए road safety मान जाए कोई main मागी थीम जे क्या नाम है बने बा सड़क सुरक्षा जीवन रक्षा है बा road safety to life है बने बा को main वही ना कोई road safety to life है वो देखो ना traffic की इधर लाग दी accident prevention main वही ना accident थोड़ी मैम जे कमाई थोक पनो करम माइना हंदान गनी सो पपन बही कमाई हंदान गनी असी ना थोड़ी मैम जे कमाई हंदान गनी है वैसे सिविल मेन जिधर फोकस होगा कोई कनोना कोई ट्रैफिक पुलिस ना इसी नेशनल रोड सेफ्टी मंथ से अंदर जनवरी 1 में होगा जनवरी 31 को कोई पालन तो लाख बनी.
In an inspiring initiative for children across Manipur, the Department of Social Welfare and CCI, GIL Manipur, launched a 4-day-long inter-CCI Children Home knockout football match today at the Sai Complex, Takil, Imphal West. The event, which includes participants from various children's homes across the state, was inaugurated by Social Welfare Minister H. Dingo Singh, along with Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam Singh and the chairperson of the Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Kaisham Pradeep Kumar. Minister H. Dingo Singh emphasized that the event is a significant initiative for the department, offering an opportunity for children from different homes to showcase their skills and broaden their experiences. He stated that the event would help enhance their abilities and offer them a platform to express themselves. Director Ngangom Uttam Singh explained that the festival aims to unearth the hidden talents of children residing in these homes and challenge the misconception that their lives are unsatisfactory. The event also encourages social interaction and team-building skills, particularly among children from the hill districts of Manipur. In addition to the football match, the children also opened stalls selling food products and handicrafts they made themselves. The 4-day event is expected to conclude on January 31st.
Children rooms is the participant 28 participants in Java program department program season program children home sports impact children home confined punna lemina kanda mokoi interaction tongnaba amaga wari watai sanaba mokoida mokoi wakhal londa yamna soga nungai jamama fauna na ba dum ba kainoma moine hadna yamna tandani aduna yam muruiba program ne nai sumana so
aduna sidagi moise hayeng children home dagi thu akanda mathanda hingba ngamnaba moida leadership quality ama laknaba self confidence ama lainaba adugumagi pandamda aduga ngahangai irang jina maram werga nungai taba wari ngakta taba nungai taba paw ngakta taraga moida wakun tufai chalambado madu festival jigi khuthang da pokthokraga kauthokraga moida mental trauma laigada basing dusu poknabagi indirect oiba pambai manena peloji.
As part of National Road Safety Month, NHIDCL and the Directorate of Health Services Manipur conducted an ISCOM near Imphal's Kangla Gate. The event was attended by Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh, Executive Director MS Diol, NHIDCL LA Manager S. Tanabir, and senior officials from Senapati, None, and Churachandpur along with staff from the RO Imphal. The ISCOM saw the participation of over 200 individuals with a focus on promoting road safety through better eye health. During the event, as Hanabir, NHIDCL's LA manager emphasized the importance of eye health in preventing road accidents, highlighting that poor vision is a significant factor in driving-related accidents. He stressed the need for regular eye checks to reduce the risks of accidents caused by impaired vision, particularly in drivers. The ISCOM aimed to raise awareness about road safety and the role of clear vision in preventing accidents. It also provided essential eye care services, ensuring that individuals could receive treatment and corrective measures to improve their sight and drive safely.
Accident thokpagi changse yam henna maramna akoina ngasi togariba I game sida yamdrabada saruk kharadi akoye accident thokpagi kanbam namgani thajabadagi haiba road safety palan misida akoi I game se senjabani.
Emmanuel Theological Seminary ITS officially launched its Silver Jubilee year with a vibrant reopening event held at the ZBCCNEI Center Church. The occasion marked the beginning of a year-long celebration of its 25 years of remarkable achievements. The event, led by Assistant Professor Jandai Gonmei, included a hymn, Great in Thy Faithfulness, and an opening prayer by Reverend Dr. Guingapao Gonmei, Pastor of EBC, Gai Chang Sui Gangmei, Chairman of the ITS Board, welcomed guests and highlighted the significance of the year as a time for reflection and rejoicing. The program featured special musical performances by Wangjat Konyak and the ITS Choir. Reverend Dr. Arai Ramai, the first principal of the ITS, led a prayer of intercession, while Reverend Dr. Rathaipo Riamai, General Secretary of RBCC, delivered the keynote address emphasizing the theme, Honor to Transform. The event concluded with a hymn, Blessed Assurance, and a closing prayer by Reverend Gangkui Gangmei. The Grand Silver Jubilee celebration is scheduled for December 4 to 6 of this year. A special outreach program to promote awareness about the Vikshit Bharat 2047 vision for a developed India was organized by the Central Bureau of Communications (CBC), Field Office, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in Purum, Tampak Village, Chandel District. The event witnessed active participation from local leaders and officials, including Makan Kanwar Chothe, VLW of TD, Chandel Block, Y. Brojan Chothe, Chairman of Purum Tampak Village, PR Washington, Village Secretary, and PR Singha Chothe, an Angalwadi worker under ICDS. Matthew S.K. Bangam, Field Publicity Assistant, FPA of CVC Chandel, explained the significance of the Vikshit Bharat vision, outlining the roadmap for India's development by 2047. He emphasized youth empowerment, poverty alleviation, women's development, and farmer support as key pillars of this mission. PR Singh, representing ICDS, highlighted the importance of maternal and child health programs, urging women to take advantage of ICDS services like child nutrition, preschool education, immunization, and health checkups. The program also featured a sport quiz contest, engaging participants and rewarding winners, aiding and interactive elements to the awareness campaign. In a bid to strengthen ties with local communities, the 112th Battalion CRPF organized a civic action program at Mauhing Village in Kangpopi district today. The event, led by SH Rajendra Narayan Das, IG, CRPF Manipur and Nagaland sector, and guided by Manish Kumar Sachhar, DIG Operation KPI was attended by around 165 villagers, including village chief and local authority members. Mukesh Tetaway, second in command, 112th Battalion CRPF, highlighted the importance of building stronger relationships with the local population. The program included the distribution of essential items such as sports equipment, solar lamps, school bags, and dustbins. Local youth also performed cultural dances and solos. The villagers expressed their gratitude for the initiative, praising the CRPF for fostering goodwill and maintaining peace in the region.
Today we have organized civic action program in Maung village. Basically this is the AOR of Alpha 112 Battalion in Kankopki district. During the program we have distributed the utility items to the villagers like syntax, solar lamp, dustbin, sports items and other utility items. This program is conducted on the aegis of IGP MN sector in guidance of the DIGP Kankopki district and overall supervision of the Commandant 112 Battalion. This is the program which is the central government sponsor scheme which further enable security forces to maintain a bridge between villagers and the security forces.
5 Indian fishermen were injured after the Sri Lankan Navy opened fire on them near Delph Island on Tuesday. According to Indian authorities, 2 of the fishermen from Karaikal, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu sustained serious injuries and were hospitalized at Jaffna Teaching Hospital, where they are under medical supervision. 3 others suffered minor injuries and were treated. The fishermen were arrested after allegedly crossing the international maritime boundary and fishing in Sri Lankan waters. India lodged a strong protest with the Sri Lankan Acting High Commissioner in New Delhi and raised the issue with Sri Lanka's Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Colombo. Indian consulate officials in Jaffna visited the injured fishermen to offer assistance. Puducherry's Chief Minister and Rangaswamy urged India's External Affairs Minister to expedite the release of the arrested fishermen. The Ministry of External Affairs stressed that the use of force against fishermen was unacceptable and called for adherence to existing agreements between the 2 nations. Sri Lanka, however, claimed the firing was accidental and occurred after the fishermen allegedly tried to assault naval personnel. Before we end, the headlines once again. Power Minister Biswajit announces 50 megawatt solar plant in Manipur, aiming for self-reliance in energy and sustainable growth. Cookie Organization seeks expedited hearing for court-monitored probe into leaked audio clips allegedly involving Manipur Chief Minister. Security forces apprehended 2 cadres from different UG groups and arrested 2 accused of arson at abandoned house during multiple operations. Tamenglong Forest Division explores Arai Bat Cave, unveiling its ecotourism potential and cultural significance. And Thoubal District launches historic Aadhaar link birth registration for children, enhancing access to welfare schemes and services. That's all we have in this Primetime English Bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.